So I'm trying out this this new mounting system I got here on the handlebars for a little bit of an extended trial run. I got this thing off of Amazon. Ulanzi, I think is the name, the brand. Couldn't find a actual GoPro brand version that is a clamp on the bar and also extends upward. You know, my angle before was a little bit too low, so it was weird. But now, you know, I'm riding with it. We'll see how it goes. And I got the chest mount on, obviously, as well. It'll pick up better audio because it has the media mod on it. So I'm just riding on house and see how it goes. So far, so good. I just had to tighten the clamp at the bottom. I don't know if it's going to slide around a lot. We'll see. So, I mean, so far, initial impressions are that it is a little bit, you know, the kind of thing where you have to constantly adjust it and retighten, because I think it slides around the bar a little too easy, but I'll figure out a system. I'll figure it out. It's coming by Tompkins Square Park here. Ooh, dead squirrel. Big old messy, juicy dead squirrel. All right, so I think I'm at a spot where it's pretty stable right now. It hasn't jumped around a lot, although I'm being a little bit more cognizant of bumps. I think this setup would be a lot better on my Flex if the Flex ever gets back into full operation. Still waiting on a battery and mounting plate. But yeah, it's cool. We'll see how shaky or steady the footage is. I mean, it's the 360 cam on there, so theoretically it should be nice and steady because you can select the exact angle and all that stuff. What are we at? Avenue B here? Yeah, I'll take a left, head back. I think we got enough footage on this. Jump back onto the house then. Just doing loops, just doing circles to see how this all comes together. Avoiding some of these bumps. I like it. It's cool. I like that it's up a little bit because I was at this weird low angle, like shooting up my nose. And it's just an awkward angle to try to pick other spots from as well. It was cool being low by the wheel, like when I did the front facing. I don't know how it'll look on this if I do front facing, but we'll see. What do we got here? Yeah, this thing on the bottom, I got to keep tightening. It wants to rotate around the handlebar. I don't have the best spot to mount it on my handlebar either. Like, I don't know, it's right where the handlebar starts to turn down. So, I mean, it's not ideal. I think it'd probably perform a lot better on a different tube, like maybe the down tube. Actually, as a matter of fact, let me switch this camera up and see if I could get some low angle stuff like coming down off the frame of the seat tube or something like that. Let me pause these guys. Whoa, broken glass. All right, this isn't ideal. My foot's in the way. Well, we'll see. Got to try some new angles every now and then. I'm gonna have to figure something out with that clamp because I think it's cool in terms of getting onto different bars and showing different angles. The bumps make me nervous with it down there. That's for sure. A big crater in the street, jeez. Maybe I should try one more mounting spot. Although I don't know where, maybe in the center. Those bars are too skinny. The center bar here is too skinny. And the same thing with the, with like the chainstay bars, they're too skinny. I'd have to put the little insert in to make, there's like a little rubber insert that you put in around the clamp jaws and you can go around smaller bars. I didn't bring it with me when I went out. But maybe eventually I'll give that a shot. Not bad, I'm happy with it. A little bit of fidgeting when I have it up here on this spot right here. There's not a lot of straight bar space to grab. So it's a little bit of a bendy there. So I gotta constantly monitor it, which isn't bad for short rides, but for longer rides, I would want a different setup, like a different setup. But that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.